Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is part 2 of my previous video. There's a bit of a cloud behind the glass there on my end of the rink. You're watching the GoPro Uzi put on a clinic. So we're going to get some very close perspective from a player's point of view and the other players skating around, so stay tuned. I think you'll find it very entertaining. And then number 10 picks up the puck here. He's got some really good hands. Pretty good skater as well. He's trying to generate some opportunities for those two. But he coughs up the puck in the neutral zone, and there's a breakaway, and they score! So here the puck comes back to the point. Fella takes a shot. Uzi makes a save. The juicy rebound pops right out to the gentleman in front. He's got 3 opportunities, but the GoPro Uzi stops it each time. Wow, unbelievable.
Hey, let's go, boys. Take him out.
And here's a quick look at the crowd that's waiting for their teenagers to play, but at the same time, they're standing watching the GoPro Uzi. At this point in time, I have issue with my helmet, so I'm just down the road. This is good pressure by Team Black. I can make a few saves here. I'm totally exhausted at this point, and finally we eventually get the puck out. Man down. I think Pops had a run in with one of the players there. Hopefully he's okay. Good father and son moment, ladies and gentlemen. That's what it's all about. Yeah, boys, I got it on camera, fellas. I got it on camera. Hope you're okay. The other goaltender here made some fantastic saves as well. Both goals sit on their heads. Unbelievable.
Yeah, keep it in. Keep it in. Time. Oh, there it is. What was that, 3?
Well, that wraps up this session, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this perspective. It's always fun to see the different angles. Angles, baby. We're talking about angles. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and have a great evening.